What's up, folks? Heine's Morning Update. It's 420. Everyone's going to have fun with that today. Level I'm watching still is the 40 level, 3840. We're just above that right now, down on the day on the overnight. So we'll see if that level holds. Next big level would be the 1720 level, and then 4100. The loss of 4120 kind of opens up the door really to 4040, maybe the 4055 here. But now there's levels in between there, but on a more macro, that really opens up the door to that one. So we'll see. They've had consolidation on the overnight right here. So this is kind of a double consolidation. So we'll see if we come back into this. We could, again, continue to pretty much trade sideways into next week. Next week's seems to be like the volatility will pick back up. But again, it could be today and tomorrow. I don't know. I'm just looking at other arrays. So 40 downside. 55 is still a decent level, but we've been traveling through that and hasn't really held. So I'm still looking at this that 76. I mean, this whole level here from 68 to 76 is monster. So a lot of traffic in there. That's going to be somewhere where I think, the overnight stop at 73. So that's going to be a lot. If we can get above that and really close above that, then I could see maybe, a rip up to, ideally, I'd like to see a 4225 or 4200 before we came back down. But we will see how this day transpires. It's not looking particularly bullish today. Your hourly pivot 70, love that. 53 is S1. We're just below that. 33 and then 4116. I like that S3. 4190, 4207. I don't think we'll see those today unless something crazy happens. Here's your daily. We're still in the range. Sideways since basically May of last year. Sideways. So we'll see if we can get and sustained lower or sustained higher. I really don't know. Or we just stay sideways and indefinitely with a dead VIX, and we just I don't know. This is a really weird market right now. Here's your weekly 4155. Okay, we just that level seems to be holding, and 4,000's next, and then 3781. Your 200 on that is at 3754. So we're still going to watch that. That's a great that's a great macro level. SPX cash gap 4099, 4092. So that's something I would watch today. Upside, we haven't had that one. This is from August of last year. 4028 and 4200. Again, that would be fun to be tested before we came back down, but I don't know if that's going to happen. And then 4056 to 4050, I don't think I'd worry about that little guy. Euro, USD, still hasn't broken that channel, so we'll see where that goes. Tipped above that one, that 10.3 level. And then now we're starting to come back down. We'll see if that traverses back down right now. But for the most part, man, this is neutral. I don't know. This is a really odd market. It's very hard to trade. So you have continuous claims, 30 initial claims. Philly Fed, existing homes at 10. That might be something to watch. And then Waller speaks at noon. Mester speaks at 12:20, and then whatever the hell, Dallas Fed listens to Dallas Fed, whatever. So those might be market moving, or we just stay idle today and then wait for PMI tomorrow, which could be. And then next week, I think, is really when we get GDP and Friday, PCE. So I think that next week has really potential to start to move away from wherever we're at. So I think that this week I wouldn't be surprised if we finished just kind of unch, which is kind of amazing considering April has had a 98 point range, which is astounding. So we've just kind of been hanging out. Anyway, stay safe. See profit, take it, and I'll be in the room.